is Russell Brandon with The Verge, and right now this machine is scanning my brain. It's part of the art project Mental Fabrication. Basically, I'm going to watch this video, and then the signals from my brain are going to be turned into a 3D model that we can 3D print. I'm actually the first person to do this. They tell me it's safe, so let's see what happens.
The team shot a lot of really close-up 4K footage of these sorts of natural phenomena. There are these metal shavings, there are hydrophobic blobs, there are burning matches. And the question is, what's happening in my brain as I'm watching this?
What does the geography of the mind look like? That's the question that we're trying to answer. And creating these models through the 3D printer, using EEG machines and headgears, we can start exploring the landscapes of the human mind. So using the video, we can actually create these moments where through relaxation or through concentration or through stimulus, the brain can start pushing in and out this landscape, which is pretty much a plane, creating these topographies.
When it's over, you get a 3D model that looks like this, built from whatever was happening in your head. All that meditation, concentration, whatever was in there turns into these peaks and valleys in texture.
What results is kind of like this cloth that has been pushed up and down with different kind of hills, creating a kind of topography or landscape. And if you're calm, then more calm than focused, then that hill will be poked up. And if you are focused, more focused than calm, that hill will be pointing down.
They're doing all this with a desktop-sized MakerBot, the standard consumer-grade 3D printer. Poppian says it makes prototyping easier and faster, and it makes the final product feel more precise, less organic. If you want to make a digital rendering into a tangible object, this is the easiest way.
When you look at the model, you can actually see, okay, in this instant I was so focused, or I was so calm in my mind, or kind of like a mixture between the two.
EEG was created to monitor epileptics and coma patients, and we're still figuring out what the readings mean for a healthy adult brain. The first wave of EEG products were simple games like Pong, controlled by raising your alpha waves, but the signal wasn't reliable enough to really work as a proper interface. Poppian's onto something else, treating the signal as interesting in itself. It's not science anymore, it's art.
These technologies don't have a specific role as of yet, but we can find kind of and hack them to use as art installation technologies, to use them as generators of form.